Deep within the dark forest, the wicked witch is preparing her most terrifying creation yet. Today, in her twisted lair, she is going to build a living nose. And we are going to learn the secret by following her every move. In our previous lesson, we used a simple shorthand trick to sketch a nose. That simple magic works fine for ordinary mortals, but not all noses in a witch's spellbook are created equal. If you want to draw different shapes, hooks, and dark styles, you need to look deep into the secret of nasal cartilage. Let's start with 3/4 view. Before we drop our creation into the cauldron, we need the perfect foundation. As always, we start with a human skeleton to place our freshly prepared nose upon. Sketch the nasal bone, the eye socket, the cheeks, the mouth area, and the glabella. With these landmarks locked in place, we can accurately study and construct any nose with terrifying precision. Step 1. Start by blocking in the basic box shape along with the fill drum, the shallow groove resting just above the upper lip. Next, draw the lateral cartilage on either side, attached directly to the nasal bone, noting that they are separated right down the middle by the septal cartilage. Let's color code them poison frog green. Step 3. Now it's time to add the alar cartilage, which forms the bulbous, rounded tip of the nose. Stain these a dripping red blood. The final major component is the side wings, which are forged from soft fatty tissue. Color them pumpkin orange. Notice how both the alar cartilage and the side wings curls inward directly into the dark void of the nasal opening. Finally, stitch in a few surrounding facial landmarks to show how the nose sits naturally upon the living face and skull. Now, let us apply this same concept once again, but conjure the nose from side view. Commence the ritual by drawing the glabella and nasal bone, and box in the basic nose shape. Carefully define the top and side wall of the nasal bone that connects directly with the maxilla bone. Next, draw the lateral cartilage that forms the side wall and bridge of the nose. Then, bring forth the alar cartilage that forms the tip of the nose, letting it overlap slightly with the lateral cartilage. If you look closely, the alar cartilage extends backward to form the minor alar cartilage. But alas, that tiny piece is not significantly visible, so we shall banish it from our drawing. Extend the bottom area of alar cartilage as its curl right into the nostril. Shape the fleshy side wing and find their basic structure. At the very bottom, a piece of the septal cartilage is visible, extending just below the middle of the nose, which basically divides the nose into two neat halves. Quickly draw the eye and a bit more detailing to give our creation a complete three-dimensional look. Color code the part just like before for ultimate clarity. And behold, it lives. Your anatomically accurate nose is ready.